Welcome back to Digital Class, and now we are looking at this question. Here say that the diagram shows Karin's heart rate during her morning exercise. So as you can see, the heart rate actually increases from A to B, then B to C a bit dropping, then C to D is like going down very fast, then D and E is kind of stable going, okay? Like compared to A, means that it's like going back to the normal um, heart rate beat. Okay, now here's the stated parts AB, BC, CD, or DE of the graph that match the activities. So the first one is running. So running should give you like increase or decrease. I think it's kind of obvious that running should increase the heartbeat. So it's A, B here. The next part, brisk walking. So brisk walking means that you're just kind of walking a bit faster in a bit faster pace. So that probably will be BC. Okay, now let's look at B here. B here now asks explain why Karin's heart rate decreases. Now let me just highlight this word, decreases from C to D during her morning exercise. Now, when I say decreases, means I'm comparing to something, right? That I found is decreases, right? So, heart rate from C to D. Here, I know that here is running, here is brisk walking, and here, why is it decreasing? Why? Okay? And I think it's very obvious. Running, brisk walking, then at this point of time, you are kind of like cooling down, slowing down. Okay? So, let me just draw a mind map here just to explain. Why? Because we know that Karin now is supposed to be slowing down. That's why it means that it's slower than brisk walking. So it's slowing down. And when I slow down, that basically means that less energy is required. Less energy is required. So that's supposed to be how you're supposed to think. And when less energy is required, means that the blood can be pumped what? Pumped slower. The blood can be pumped slower. Why? Because the body does not need what? Let me just put this point. Yeah. Because the blood contain this blood contain digested food and oxygen. And I don't need that rapidly anymore. Okay, because that helps to produce more energy. Okay. So how do you explain this? You can say that from C to D, Karin is slowing down. Thus, or therefore, I use the word therefore, less energy is required and the heart pump digested food and oxygen slower to all other parts of the body. Okay, so that's basically the thoughts, the train of thoughts that you're supposed to have. Slow down, less energy required, so the heart pump the blood slower. Okay, so that's basically this question. So just in case you might need more help in understanding this, I would strongly suggest you to go back to your booklet page. What page is this? Page number 3, and go under this part, things to note, where we actually discuss this, right? Why heart rates increase when we re-exercise. And of course, it goes the same way, just a different way, just go backwards when it decreases. It decreases means our body needs less energy. That's why it causes our heartbeat to be slower. It will be going to pump blood of digestible oxygens to be a bit slower because it need less energy. So it's basically the same thing. It's just that in a different way. Okay. So that is basically our questions for today. Okay. That's all from my part. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.